So I suck, you guys. That actually took me like 6 minutes to do my brows and like put concealer and carve them out and all that. So we're cutting that out because that took me 6 minutes. And we're just going to go straight into eyelashes. This is my everyday look. Truthfully, like this is how I do it. I just did a video 2 videos ago on how I put on my eyelashes. So I'm just doing exactly that. So we'll just speed through this.
Okay, so lashes are on. And what's next? So I don't actually, not that I'm like being cocky or anything, my skin looks like, maybe not in the camera, it's probably showing like everything, but it looks really good. So I'm gonna take a little bit of foundation that's in 350 Fenty, you know what it is. I haven't used anything else like in months. Like, it's rare if I use like another makeup, like rare. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I'm not sure what products I'm about to use to like put this on with, but I might, not products, but like what tools. Cause I'm like, do I want to use a blender, a brush, what I want to use. Then a brush, a Sonya Kashuk. This Sonya Kashuk brush, like this, it's like kind of slanted. And just, you know, kind of just tamp it in, I'm not really sure. This is my first time, well not my first time using this type of brush, but a first time in a long time with using this particular brush. I don't really like to put foundation on my forehead, so I don't really know why I did that, but now we just gotta blend it out, because I usually don't, but now I'm just gonna blend it out, kind of running in. I want my foundation to look like skin, that's just my thing. I love when foundation looks like skin. Like I want like some of my skin to peek through, that's just what I want. I definitely put it on my lips, so that's getting done. Because I want when I put on my lipstick that I wear for work, I want it to just, I want my skin complexion to be all the same. Whatever. I took the pimple and I know I shouldn't have, and now it's like this little raised thing. That. And we're taking some concealer and do the same thing, just a little bit underneath the eye. I didn't have the double dip, but I just thought about where I was putting it. A little bit under, like that. This is what I do when I have a little bit more time to get ready for work, but I'm always running a little late. Unless I woke up like 3 hours before. Lately it's been the hair, that's been my problem. So that's why I started doing this little thing. This little thing. I don't really blend out my nose contour as harsh after I do the rest of my face. Or my lip contour, like, I mean not contour but conceal. Or contour, I don't, like things like that kind of structure your face, I don't really blend those out too much. Because I need all the structure I can get. So this probably looks like crazy around my mouth, but it's just what I do. And I usually take a rose water and just like spritz my face because it helps it look like skin to me. I'll be back. I'm about to go get that.
Sorry if y'all kind of like were tilted that way. I just noticed. I'm just giving the sugar bronzer because I did kind of like lighten my face up to the max. Not really, but yeah, just to make sure that we're good. I definitely got that. So when I put the So I use this coconut rose hydrating face mist. It's like almost gone, so I definitely need to get some more. I wet my face, honestly, and then just like use a beauty blender, wet, dry, do whatever you do, and just have that in. Got my whole face dry. I don't want to look like too much like anything. It actually looks good on camera because I looked back at what I just filmed, and it doesn't look that bad. But yeah, I still do that little step. Okay. So first thing to do is do like highlight, and I'm gonna use this. Hold on, I gotta take the wrapper off. Oh my god, this is the most hated thing when you have nails. It's like crazy. I'm basically about to put on some highlight. I can't do this. I'm gonna put on this highlight right here. Hope y'all can see that. I put on highlight first and then blush, then bronzer. Or bronzer, then blush, depending on, you know, what color blush. And I'm just gonna take that all here. I should have used a more yellower color. Whatever. And I'm gonna take this other Sonia Kashuk brush and just kind of push that in. Cute pimple. I took it too far back, but that's fine. I really want this highlight to blend in. Again, we're trying to get like, you know, not like natural look, cause duh, I'm wearing makeup, but like we're trying to get like a natural makeup look. Yeah, we're trying to get like a natural makeup look, to be more specific. And then take a little bit more beauty blender. This is the Real Techniques beauty sponge. Yeah. So I'm gonna take actually eyeshadow. That's just what I've been into because it has this specific like red color in here, and I want to use it as blush. The Creative New palette by Coastal Scents. I love this palette. Taking that red color right there, mixing with that orange color right there. And of course, because it is an eyeshadow, it's super pigmented, so we have to tap off all the excess, and then because I want a light, you know, blush color. I don't want it like up in your face, but I do definitely want it as a color. And I'm a little bit on the nose. That wasn't a little bit, but who cares? Again, because I feel like I overdid it. To me, whenever you feel like you overdid it, just go in with a little spritz of whatever water, like rose water, your setting spray, and just spritz it. And I'm taking this and that same brush, Sonia Kashuk. I use Sonia Kashuk brushes like all the time. And then I'm taking the bronzer and just right here. I rarely do bronzer though, So that's one of the things that's like kind of not true to this. And I'm just doing a little extra, but yeah, this video is probably super long. Okay. And then my favorite lip combo. This is Profusion's, I think, Charm lip liner. And I'm just gonna line my lips. Then I'm going to take that same highlighter shade, putting a little bit in the center there. And then taking my Fenty Beauty Fussy and letting that do the rest. Mainly putting that in the middle though. Did y'all see that? I love the shine it gives. Oh my god, I love Fenty lip gloss. And then what I always do to bring attention to my eyelashes, a little bit of this. Oh, it dropped on me, so I'll just take that. Like a little bit of that highlighter that I use and put it on my inner eye. Just to bring attention to the fact that I'm wearing eyelashes and they're popping. Okay, and we're done. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Hopefully this wasn't too long for you.